This video, I will show you how to fix Camsurf sound problem easy and quick. So, to fix this problem, you need to follow some steps till the end. So, open the settings of your device, click on apps option and search for Camsurf and click on it like this. Right now here, scroll these list down, click storage option, click clear cache and back, click on force stop and click OK. So go to Play Store or App Store and update Camsurf. Restart your device right now and your problem will be fixed correctly. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you next.